Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Probably your first time, but for all those returning, a very warm welcome as well. Simple delivery, that's what we're talking about today, and booking a collection with Royal Mail. I'm just going to go through the steps. A few people have said, where do I book a collection? And for once, this is, I think, relatively like the name says. It's simple. I'm just going to go through the steps. I've confined myself to the circle again. So once you click on the item that you've got to dispatch, you'll see that a delivery service appears on the right hand side of the screen. And there, just below that, where the arrow is pointing now, you'll see that there's a need to book or need a courier collection and a little actual book link. If you click on book, it'll take us to this page. So book a collection pops up and you can see that it does clearly state no printer is required, and Royal Mail do bring the labels for all of the items, even if you decide at a later date to print the label and pop it on. They will have brought the label. It is a self-adhesive label that the postman brings. So that gives you the option to either print your own label at a later stage if you have got a printer, or just mark the parcel clearly with who it's going to. So put the name of the person on so that the postman, if you've got multiple parcels, knows which label to put on which parcel. You can then choose a collection date. It defaults to the next available date, but if you're not going to be around or you don't want it picked up at that date, you can choose one of 4 days in the future. So in this case, it's the 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th of August. Below that, you'll see that there is options to tell the postman if you have a safe place. So if you're not going to be out and you have a storage box to the right hand side, or it's underneath, it's clandestine, hidden as a plant pot. But don't, if you are selling a plant pot, don't actually just leave a plant pot outside. And then you click on the book collection, the blue button, and that is it. Your collection is booked for the date with the instructions that you specified in the field if you have identified a safe place. Then screen will pop up and it is green for go. It will say that your collection is booked. It tells you when the label is going to be valid to, and it gives you the collection details. In this case, it's the 26th of August between 8 and 6. So if you specify that safe place, leave the parcel. The courier, again, it confirms the Royal Mail courier will bring the label when they collect your item, and it gives you the postage summary at the bottom to say prepaid by the buyer, the service that you're using, so it's a standard track delivery via Royal Mail, and collection, who it's going to, and the tracking number. And your Royal Mail simple delivery collection for normally tracked 48 is now booked, and that is it. Just now it's time to pack your parcel, get it ready for collection. Any questions, any comments? As always, I like to read your comments, so please leave them below. If you found this little thing helpful, leave a comment.